Here at the WISP Lab at RIT, we present a new digital twin platform that mirrors real-world environments so connected vehicle behavior can be explored safely and visually. The system automatically builds high-fidelity road scenes from just a map coordinate and an area size, eliminating hours of manual 3D modeling so researchers can quickly create realistic test sites and focus on connectivity, safety, and security questions. We then stream traffic data into the twin over a simple TCP connection, whether from Sumo simulations or recorded trajectories like the UniD dataset, so users can quickly explore diverse traffic and connectivity behaviors without rebuilding the environment. We also support a human in the loop, letting users see the scene from a driver's perspective, while an in-vehicle display shows connectivity events, so the impact of connected vehicle behavior on real driving is clear and intuitive. Together, these pieces turn connected vehicle research into an interactive, visual, and repeatable experience, making advanced safety and communication studies more accessible to a wider community.